Welcome home to this flexible floor plan featuring 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, 2 separate living areas, great for an in-law suite or roommate. Large primary bedroom has huge walk-in closet and bath with a jacuzzi tub and double sinks. Generous sized backyard with cement patio and detached garage for storage. Kitchen features granite and stainless steel appliances. Large windows let the natural light pour in. Conveniently located in the heart of VB near Towne Center, shopping, interstates and restaurants.